So my older brother always says, back in the day, back in the day. Well, this is one of those projects. Back in the day, it's got to be 16 years ago we installed this. But I wanted to walk back through it. Love this couple, love this house. It's a project that I did a long time ago, and my son, when he was 12, actually worked with the crew on this project. So, you know, it's... Hold on. There's Robert, and my thumb's in the way, sorry about that. So Robert actually worked on this project back 16 years ago. He was just a little guy. I mean, he was, small. Anyway, but let's get back to the project. I'd love to show you this. So this product is Angeles Stoneworks, antique cobblestones, and then I had it tumbled for the client. And they had the original idea of how they wanted it, and then I got to play with it. So came through, we did a 90 degree angle herringbone pattern using the rectangle stones, and then I did a runner right next to it so that they had a walkway. So you have walkway pattern and a runner running all the way up, and I used a combination of the small squares as well as rectangles for the runner, and then the 90 degree angle herringbone in the rectangles. So as you walk up here, let me check it out. I have a beautiful planter, and the crew really did a good job of running the runner pattern off to the right all the way up towards the steps, and then a planter in the middle, and then the front door. And something I don't normally do, I ran the steps with the antique cobblestones in the rectangles, and then everything is fully distressed. But this one, they hadn't come out with the brand new LED lights yet, so we didn't put any step lights in. But this is a shot from the past. So as I pan back around and then come down the driveway, they had, over time, 16 years, a couple cars in different places, and just beautiful. And then we wall capped. So anyway, Angeles Stoneworks, cream brown, cream charcoal, 90 degree angle herringbone. This is a shot from the past. This is beautiful. So love to take a look at your project. Oh, let me show you one last thing. So if the homeowner wanted to, I could come in, do a light acid wash, and then seal this if they wanted to, or we could actually come through and replace probably this section, and this section over here. Maybe a pallet of stones, but have it distressed. It's going to look a little newer being brand new stones, but we could bring this back to life in something you cannot do with concrete. So concrete pavers, you can take them out, fix them, replace them, and do your thing. And then people ask me, what about weeds? So 16 years old, this definitely has a few weeds in it, but a little bit of homemade Roundup using vinegar, salt, and dishwashing soap, this will definitely come out. So yeah, huge, beautiful project. Bear with me for a second. So one last photo shot before I go. This house is amazing. So remember, runner, antique cobblestones, rects and squares, rectangles and squares, and this is distressed. And then as we come up here, the walkway runner goes all the way up the side towards the front door. The pattern for the driveway is going to be 90 degree angle herringbone, and the antique cobblestones rectangle only, and cream brown, cream charcoal, distressed antique cobblestones, and a beautiful no parking sign right in front of the house. You wouldn't want to park in front of this, it's too beautiful. Anyway, as I flip around, there's Robert and I'm going to shoot to the other side. There he is. Anyway, hey, Dave Pratt, 714-588-8634. If you find this helpful, or you'd like me to come shoot your project, it's something you find beautiful, let me know. Press subscribe. Robert, are we out?
Out.
I'm out.